Hello, welcome back to another video. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the popular song I Surrender All to Thee by William McDowell, okay, in the key of C. That's our scale. I'm going to be using the chord number system to explain the basic progression in this song, so I suggest you get familiar with the chord number system. So in the key of C, this is your chord 1, okay, this is your chord 1, this is your chord 2, this is your chord 3, your chord 4, your chord 5, chord 6, chord 7, back to 1, okay? So now let's start. So I'm going to teach you the basic progression, and I'll just kind of give you some clue of some passing chords you can also add to the song to make it even much more awesome, okay? So let's get started. So we start from the 1, okay? I surrender, chord 2, roll, chord 6, to you, chord 5, okay? Everything, chord 2, I give, chord 6, to you, chord 5. Again, I surrender, chord 2, the roll, chord 6, to D, chord 5, okay? Everything, chord 2, I give to the chord 5, okay? Next part of the song is like this. This is how the progression goes. Withholding nothing, chord 4, chord 6, withholding nothing, chord 5, okay? Withholding nothing, chord 4, chord 6, withholding nothing, chord 5, okay? Then they go back to the first part again. I surrender, chord 2, the roll, chord 6 to D, just like that. That's just basically how it's done, okay? So now let me now teach you some little passing chords you can apply in this song to make it even sound much more awesome, okay? And if you want to learn more about passing chord, I have a full series on that. You can check the description box below for the videos on that and some other chord. All right, so let's proceed. So now to the first progression, that's the first part of the song. That's the first progression pattern of the song that starts from the 1 to the 2. I surrender to the 6, the roll to D. What we can do, we can add some passing chords in between this progression, okay? So instead of just going directly to our 2, we can apply this passing chord, which is this, the diminished 7th chord of the 5th tone, okay? That is G diminished 7th chord as a passing chord to our 2, okay? So instead of just going to our 2 like this, we can do like this. We'll start from 1, we'll play the diminished 7th chord of the 5th tone, which is this. We start from 1, then we'll play the diminished 5th as a passing chord to our 2. So you can be using this diminished 5th as a passing chord whenever you want to approach the 2 in any song. It's very, very wonderful. See, so if you want more knowledge about passing chord, you can check the description box below. I have videos on that, okay? So whenever you are going to the chord 2, you just play the diminished 5th to lead you to your 2, or you can add the diminished 4th, diminished 5th before you get to the 2. That's 2 passing chords, okay? So instead of just from 1 to 2, we're going to go from 1, then go to diminished 4th, diminished 5th before 2, okay? That's kind of like a diminished walk-up. So here's it from the beginning again. I surrender all to Thee. Okay, you see that? From 1. I surrender all to Thee. You see that? That's diminished 4th and 5th. So this is one passing chord you can apply before going to the 2. Another passing chord again you can apply to make it much more awesome is when going to the 5. Instead of just going directly to the 5, you can play the 5 sus 4. This is a suspended chord, okay? If you also want more knowledge about suspended chords, I have videos on that. You can check the description box below how you can use it as a passing chord, and various ways you can use it in worships. So we're going to be using the 5 sus 4 to the 5, okay? Instead of just to the, that's to the 5. We're going to do something like this. To the 5 sus 4, okay, before we go to the 5. And you will see it's a very, very wonderful pattern chord that leads to the 5. It's used in most gospel songs. 5 sus 4 to the 5, okay. So everything from the beginning again is going to be like this. That's applying pattern chords. I surrender all to the 5 sus 4, 5. Everything I give to the, okay, very simple. Withholding nothing, withholding nothing, okay, withholding. So that's just basically how the whole song goes. It's just kind of a repetition of this simple progression. So I hope you find value. I hope you learned something new. Go ahead and practice whatever you've learned in this video, and you can leave your, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. I'll attend to that. If you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this in the future. All right, we'll see you in our future videos.